Okay guys, 2 years ago I bought the cheapest Mark II MR2 I could find with MOT, drove it for a few months, and then the MOT ran out. And it's actually been a year and a half since the MOT ran out, so it's about time that I sorted this car out, and I've not even uploaded a video on the car in about 9 to 10 months. So let's sort this car out, let's get it on road, hopefully in a few weeks. Quick turnaround, get lots of videos out, let's get this car back on road. The first step to sorting this car out is to get the sill sorted. The rust is really bad, but that's kind of what happens when you buy the cheapest one that you can find. So we're going to jump to a shot at Richard's place. He's doing all the welding for me, and I'll show you the extent of the rust on the car. All right, we've got the Mark II MR2 on the ramp, and it is not looking good at all. So it's at Richard's place. He knows the Mark II really well. He's already stripped the back, so there's no back bumper on it, and let me show you how bad this really is. So rear sill I knew about, inner sill's gone as well, that'll need work. Going into the arch as well, needs work, and there's a wee bit underneath. That's a bit flaky, so maybe that'll need some, you can see like bits here, some fresh metal. And then, make matters worse, going into the arch, all round there, that's crumbling, and then all of this, and there, all of that, that side will come around, wee bit of surface rust there, and this side's not as bad as the other side, so there's fresh metal, there's metal there, but then the rest of that's probably all fiberglass, so that will need sorted as well. We've got this Mark II, we've got that Supra with a crazy engine in it, and I think one of these cars, well that's a Mark II, that's a Mark II, one of these is a donor car, so it's going to be scrapped anyway, so Richard's going to have a look and see if he can get me some fresh metal for one of the quarter panels from this to put onto mine. But he said he needs to just have a look and have a play around, but he knows these cars well, so he's going to sort it out for me. That's brilliant, and I think I showed you this in the Mark 1 series I'm doing, how this one is a turbo, because you can see twin cam 16 turbo, so this has a 3S GTE in it there. Okay, I'm just going to show you a few pictures Richard sent me as he was doing the work. So as you can see, this was all rusty at the back and fresh metal was put in there. Driver's side sill, again, had to come off. There was rust in the inner sill and the sill itself. Completely new metal, new sill was put in there. This is the part of the driver's side sill that runs into the rear arch. Again, tons of rust. That was all filled with fresh metal, and that was done as well. And you can also see the work that was done into the rear, into one of the rear arches, because that was just crumbling, so it's got fresh metal now. No filler, no fiberglass, nothing. And again, there was another wee bit at the back. That's just a few pictures. Mark II MR2 is back. I actually don't mind that plate. That's the old one that was on the car originally, H512JLJ. So you can see the car was originally from Scotland as well, before it moved down south, and then I've brought it back up. But brilliant to see the welding's done. It's got new sills. I'll give you guys a proper walk around, but it needed a lot of work. Don't scrape, don't scrape, don't scrape. Oh! Okay, that's all of the welding done. Next is the mechanical work on the car, which I'll get onto in the next video. So smash the subscribe button to see that. Hit thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. Appreciate everyone who watches the videos, likes, leaves comments, and yeah, thanks a lot again, and peace.